Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is CarlaEmcB here, and I have another real estate video for you guys. Today we're going to be talking about the 6 things that you can do to find the perfect home. Finding the perfect home is definitely something that's subjective. Some people are just wanting to get out of mom and dad's house, while other people are wanting to have a space where they can have their grandkids run around in the yard. No matter what the reason is, and most of us are somewhere in between, you'll want to have a feeling when you walk into a space that you can imagine yourselves and your loved ones in, enjoying that space and creating memories. That's what finding a perfect home is really all about. Because a feeling is something that's really hard to articulate, I'm just going to give you my 6 tips on things that you can do to find the perfect home. Firstly, let's make a list. Write down all of the things that you know that you want in a home. If you need 4 bedrooms or 2 bathrooms, a pool in the backyard, a large yard or a small yard, writing everything down will help you narrow down which properties you definitely want to see and which ones you want to stay away from. This will help save you and your agent time and help you find the home that you're looking for a lot quicker. This list should also include things that you don't want. So you can have one side of a piece of paper that says all the must-haves and one side that says, we could care less. On that side of the list, write down all the things you absolutely know you don't want. They will help your agent to create a list for you of homes that fit your criteria the best. And understanding what things are negotiable for you or not is also a great idea. List a couple things that you would love to have, but it's not absolutely necessary. That way, if you find a home that you love, but it doesn't have all of the things that you exactly wanted, but they are on your negotiables page, then you know that it might be a house that will work for you. Know what you qualify for in a mortgage loan. For instance, if you qualify for $250,000, the best way to handle that would be to not go to the farthest end of your maximum budget, but to stay somewhere around $10,000 to $20,000 less. And the reason why is because in a lot of markets, like the market that I am in Raleigh, North Carolina, you'll find that there are lots and lots of people in that price range that are looking for homes. And if you go too far to the edge of your budget, you won't have any room to negotiate when it comes to any multiple offer situation. Number 3 is knowing what your budget is for repairs. Now, this is kind of a large, broad statement here. Repairs in this sense doesn't necessarily mean things that are wrong with a particular property. I also mean things like, decor. You want to make it your own. You want to be able to put your spin on it. Like, for instance, when I made this new space, I knew I wanted to have some navy blue and I knew I wanted to have some pink or rose gold. So when I created this space, I made sure that I had a little extra money when I redid this room because it used to be a completely different color. We'll go into that maybe another day. But I wanted to make sure that I could incorporate some things that would make this space my own. And that's important when you go to purchase your house as well. You'll want to have money for decor, have money for repairs, and maybe some upgrades. Maybe it's new appliances that you're hoping for. Having a little bit of money set to the side for those things will definitely help you create the perfect home. If you want to be in a particular school district, for instance, it'll be important to know what neighborhoods can service that particular school district. Or if you want to be close to a particular charter school or private school, that's important to know as well. So location is very important for some people when it comes to their homes. Are you willing to commute to work? Are you willing to, do you want to be able to walk to work? I would love to be able to just get out and walk to a restaurant. The neighborhood that I live in now, that's not a possibility. I definitely have to get in my car and actually take a drive to wherever it is that I want to get to, which is okay, but I know that that's something that I like to do in my future home. You're going to want to do your own research. While your agent is there to help you, only you know what is perfect for you. Get in your car, ride around, check out a few neighborhoods, check out how far it is from work. Go to your work area, ride around that area, go off the side streets, take a look at different neighborhoods and see if you see any for sale signs, if you see any noticeable neighborhoods going on. And give this information to your real estate agent, and she can then go and do additional research to find out if those homes are right for you. And number 6, last but not least, leave room to grow. You might want to start a family one day. You might already have a family and having another addition to your family, and that could include a family member, a new dog, a new baby. You might decide to start a home business where a home office might be important for you. So those things you want to kind of have an idea that it might be possible in the future, so let's go ahead and plan for it now. The more you plan for your future in your current home, the better off you'll be and the more longevity you'll have in your home. I hope this video was very helpful. I hope you found these tips to find your perfect home helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to this channel and you've not seen me before, please hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more. And if you didn't enjoy this video, please leave down in the comments below what I can do to improve or what kind of topics you'd like me to talk about. I really enjoyed making this video for you. I hope you guys will continue watching and staying a part of my family, and I will see you later. Have a great day.